G'day, welcome back. So today we're going to be swapping out this headlight on this Mark III Golf. We're doing that because our innards are a bit wonky. New headlight was 80 bucks from Micks Garage, so no brainer. We're just going to swap it out, not going to bother fixing it, and go from there. So to take the headlight out, I've got to take this grill piece off, and there's a couple of bolts that hold the headlight, and it's nice and easy from there. So there's a couple of clips. And your bumper comes off. They look like about 8mm bolts there. Right, a couple of 8mm. And a couple more at the bottom. Try not to drop it, because there we go, that's one. Two. It's just a multi-plug on the back. Right, so here's the old headlight, here's the new one. First job is to swap over the bulbs. Easier to do it before you put it in the car. As always with halogen headlights, try not to touch the glass of the bulb, because the oils on your skin tend to burn, shorten the life of the bulbs, etc. A bit hard with the side light bulbs. Probably should have got some replacements just to make it easier. But yeah, pull it out, pop it in, jam it home. I've also got these wheat. These are pretty well packaged for shipping. These metal bars stop anything moving around and stop damage to the old assembly. Let's take those out of the way. So we'll swap over the high beam. There should be a plug for that somewhere. And for our low beam, going to be using these Osram Silver Stars, which are plus 50%, plus 20 meters. Normal power, 12 volt, 55 watt. New bulb goes in, lock it in place, stick the plug on. Alright, here's our new headlight, and again we've got our multi-plug. Flip it home. Line up your bolt holes. Get some screws started. Don't need to over tighten these, just nip them up. Job done. Right, time for the grill. Nice and easy, just a few clips that clip in, clips that clip, screws that screw. And the last job is the old bulb cover, which just slides in, locks against these tabs. Can't really show you in the car, but pretty easy to do. Give them a wee test. Mains. Looks good. That's how you change your headlight in your Mark III Volkswagen Golf. Here's the old one. Wee bit crusty. This one's actually it's a Hella one, so it's a decent brand. Just looking at the passenger side one, that's also a Tyco, or TYC, whatever it is. So I've got matching headlights now. I didn't know I didn't, but matching headlights. The one on the left I got from a scrapyard, replaced it 3-4 years ago, still going strong. The other one's brand new, of the same make, so it should also last pretty well. So yeah, as always, you're battling with old plastic clips. That front grill's, it's on. I don't think it's coming off, but it could fit better. I do have a spare grill that looks a bit different. We might try that out. But yeah, nice and simple. 4 bolts, couple of clips, and you've changed your headlight. So there we go. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you for more VR6 fun.